Oh, g'day, how you going? Sorry, who have I got here? I received a phone call from you
Hello.
guys. Hello, sorry, I received a phone call from you guys. Who is this?
All right, Mr. This side Officer Michelle Brown from the Criminal Investigation Department of the Australian Taxation Office. How can I help you?
I was just received a phone call and it said there's currently an investigation under my name. I'm a little bit worried.
All right, can I have your name so I can try and pull up your file and see who told you that?
Yeah, of course, Jared.
Do you spell that?
Okay, so Gerrard.
It's Jared, and what's your last name?
Hanson, Hanson.
Yep. All right, just give me a moment. I'm pulling up your file.
Yeah, of course. Do you need my tax file number or something, or? I'm a little bit concerned. I'm really worried.
Listen to me.
Yep.
It's Gerard is your first name and Henson is your last name.
Correct.
Is it?
Correct.
All right, Mr. I have your file in front of me. Well, my name is Officer Michelle Brown from the Criminal Investigation Department.
But what have I done wrong? I haven't done anything wrong. What's happening?
All right. Just to make sure that I'm giving the confidential and private information to the right person, can I have your postal code followed by your address?
My postal code?
Yes.
My postal code is 3199.
3199.
Correct.
Am I right?
Yes.
What's your suburb name over there?
So Frankston?
It's Frankston.
Yeah, correct.
Only Frankston, right?
Correct.
Frankston, Victoria.
Correct, yes.
All right. And can I have your house number and your street name just for confirmation?
23 Ashton Street, Frankston.
How to spell your street name?
My street name is Ashton. Ashton.
Yep.
Ton. Sorry, what was your name? What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Officer Michelle Brown. It's 23 Ashton Street, 31. That's not correct address.
Officer Michelle. Hey, Officer Michelle, can you please tell me a bit more information? Like, I'm not really sure if I should be giving out all my details.
First of all, I need your complete address. I need your correct address from your side, and after that, I'll explain you what's going on. And 23 Ashton Street, 3199, Frankston, Victoria. That's not the correct address. I need your correct address from your side.
I'm just concerned about who you are. Like, how do you have my details? Am I speaking with?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Can you please tell me a little bit?
Note down the badge ID number also, and my name is Officer Michelle Brown.
All right, because I'm really worried right now. I'm freaked out.
Just give me your complete address.
Okay, all right. I don't know why I'm in trouble, but my address is 15 Fletcher Road.
How do you spell that?
Fletcher. Fletcher.
It's F-L-E.
Yeah. F for Fred. L.
Yeah.
E.
Larry.
Yeah.
E as an echo after that.
Yeah. E and then T for T for Terry. C for Charlie. H for Harry. Then E for egg, and then R. So 15 Fletcher Road, Frankston.
It's Fletcher Road, Frankston.
Correct.
All right, that's the correct address, and I have your file in front of me. Well, let me tell you, the reason behind this call is that we have done a random audit on your tax filing, and we have found that there are several calculations in your tax filing. Because of which Australian Taxation Office is filing a case under your name, and there is an arrest warrant under your name. So, do you have a lawyer who can represent you in the courthouse for this case?
Of course, yeah, 100%. I'll have to call. Oh my God. Yeah, not at the moment. I can make a call though and find one.
All right, and do you even realize that the Australian Federal Police is having an arrest warrant under your name?
I didn't know that.
So, do you want me to go ahead and read out the affidavit for you, from which you can come to know each and everything about
Yes, please.
Alright, so first of all, grab a pen and a piece of
Yeah,
paper
yeah, I have
so I
that.
can write down my name and my batch ID number.
I have that, Officer Michelle. I have that.
Alright, my name is Officer Michelle Brown
Brown.
and my batch ID number is
Yes.
617.
617
Letter J is a Jerry 296.
296. Okay.
Yeah, can you repeat my batch ID number once for me?
All I got is 617 296.
Yeah. Yeah. Now tell me one thing, Mr. Henson. Who filed your taxes? Is it done from your end or using an accountant?
I do them. I do my taxes.
You what?
I file my tax myself.
Alright, yourself. So, are you on central link payments or have you filed any bankruptcy recently or are you any kind of disability?
No, absolutely not.
Alright, so now before we proceed further, I would like to notify you that these lines are getting recorded and monitored by the Commonwealth Courthouse, the local Australian Federal Police Department, the Immigration Department, and the Australian Taxation Service Headquarters.
Okay.
So please do not interrupt me while I'm reading out the affidavit. I will answer all your questions once I'm done reading the affidavit. Alright?
Okay.
So according to federal legislation, section 38 and column 79, there are 4 allegations based on your name. Count 1, violation of ATO Act 1956. Count 2, violation of Australian Taxation Code 6331H. Count 3, tax evasion. And count 4, willful misrepresentation of information to government organization. ATO audit department, after undertaking statutory audit of your taxes, has concluded that tax worth grants have been unpaid by you. The audit department has get a strong evidence that this was not an innocent act or negligence and this was a willful act done with intent to defraud ATO.
No.
According to Australian Taxation Code 6331H, ATO has decided to forcefully recover the taxes by taking following steps. Step 1, tax lien. The federal tax lien is a legal claim to your property, including property that you acquire after the lien arises. And step 2, tax evasion. This is a felony and conviction can carry a prison sentence of up to coming 5 years and fine up to $100,000.
No. Come on. No, please.
Reporting agencies and all the government organizations regarding your tax fraud.
No, please. No, can we? I have done nothing.
Listen to me. As I told you, please do not interrupt me while I'm reading out the affidavit.
But I've done nothing wrong.
And ATO will notify all the credit reporting agencies and all the government organizations regarding your tax fraud. If you are working, then your employer will be contacted and we will be garnishing wages accordingly. With this, I have briefed you about this case, Mr. Henson. Are you with me?
I can hear you. Yes.
We are right now. The amount outstanding under your name is $9,876. But once this case goes to the courthouse, the total charges you will be paying around $97,711.
Oh my God, no.
Including penalty charges, and you will be arrested for coming 5 years. Now, Mr. Henson, before I sign the paper for legal action against you and forward it to the local authorities to get you arrested right now, whatever doubts or questions you have before asking them, I just need to know on this recorded line, why have you done such a thing? Is it a mistake according to you or an intentional activity to defraud the Australian government?
Well, I don't really want to say. I feel like I should really speak to my lawyer because I'm worried that if I say the wrong thing, I haven't got. Like all I've got is my house. Like my home is paid for, and I don't want to go into debt again. You know, like that's all I have in my life is my home. Please don't take it from me.
So what you want to do?
Well, I mean, I didn't intentionally make a mistake. This is an accident.
All right, it might be. So you didn't it intentionally, right?
No.
All right, but Mr. 1998. That was almost 22 years back. As I told you, the moment you will lose this case, you will have to submit $97,711, including penalty and case charges.
No,
You'll
no,
be
no.
arrested for coming years, as well as getting a red mark under your name.
Please, no, no,
And do you
please,
know what
please,
red mark
please,
means?
please don't. Please don't do that.
All right. And do you know what a red mark means?
Which one?
A red mark is something where if at all you are receiving any kind of social insurance benefits, it will have a straight stop under Section 97C. If you are working, you will be terminated, or receiving any kind of retirement pensions, and it will have a straight stop under Section 97A.
No,
Your passport will be seized and your bank account will be freezed.
I can't.
Now,
Please don't do that.
do
I
you
can't
want
do
me?
that. I'm going through a very
Listen to
difficult
me.
time at the moment. Everything's happening with COVID, so please don't take action, please.
All right. Just listen to me. Now you have two options. Listen to me very, very carefully before choosing out any option, right?
Okay.
Option one. You can fight this case with the Taxation Australia, where you have to submit $97,711, including penalty and case charges. Will be arrested for coming 5 years, as well as getting a red mark under your name. And I believe I already explained you what a red mark means, right?
Yes, I don't want that.
And option second, I cannot commit you for this option. I can talk to the Australian Federal Police and see if at all they can allow you to take care of situation out of the courthouse by submitting the outstanding balance, which is $9,876. But I'm not 100% sure, as the arrest warrant is already signed up.
No, no, please don't.
Now I
Please.
need to know, what do you wish to do? Do you wish to fight this case with the Taxation Australia by paying $97,711, or you want to resolve this matter by paying your outstanding amount, which is $9,876?
Michelle, are you?
Now I need to know
Why are you picking on me? Why to me? Why is this happening to me? I don't want to pay 97,000.
First of all, now I need to know, what do you wish to do?
Option B, like, I mean, I'd rather pay the 9,800. I can't pay 97,000.
So you want to resolve this matter by paying your $9,876? Am I right?
Of course, yes, definitely, Michelle, Officer Michelle.
All right, so as I told you, I need to talk to the Australian Federal Police officer and request them to cancel your warrant. So first of all, I need you to give me the number of your nearby police station so that I can call to the officer and request them to cancel your warrant. You can just Google the number of your nearby police station and give it to me.
Okay, here it is. First of all, I thought I would just let you know something as well. Can you Google my address? Can you Google 15 Fletcher Road, Frankston?
Pardon?
Can you please do a Google search? Can you do a search for my address? You look up my address and tell me what you find.
Yeah.
Tell me what you find.
You can just Google the number by yourself.
No, you can
Google
Google.
the number and give it to me.
No. I'm asking you, Officer Michelle Brown. You need to Google my address because I forgot to tell you something. Look up my address, then you will understand. A simple Google search of 15 Fletcher Road, Frankston, will explain to you exactly who I am.
Who are you?
You need to look up that address first, and then I will tell you. Are you in front of a computer, Michelle? So, if you do a Google search of 15 Fletcher Road, Frankston. I gave her the address to the Frankston police station. That's hilarious. She hung up. That's freaking funny.